All right, open.
Let me get that big old thing. What's good, Loyal Gang? We back into this another video. Today we're gonna eat some food, but we don't know it yet.
What kind of foods? We're gonna be doing another what? Y'all don't know?
Emoji challenge.
Emoji challenge. Maya and Bria's last emoji challenge is almost at 100,000 views. How do y'all feel about that?
Amazing.
Yeah. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, y'all nervous? Or y'all ready?
Ready. I hope it's not gross.
So what if it's some gross stuff, but then it's some good stuff? No? So we're going to be doing 5 emojis. Y'all already know how this goes. So let's go ahead and get into it with the first thing. Y'all close y'all eyes. No peeking, okay?
And guys, we don't even know what it is.
Real, you peeking. You peeking. If you peek, you get something gross. Oh, this thing will not come out. You're peeking, Brill. You're getting a worm out the ground.
No!
I'm going to get you a nice fat worm.
Like that worm that we saw when we was waiting your bike?
Yes, we're going to get that worm. I'm going to go back and get it. Put it in a pan. That's what we got, y'all.
I can't breathe.
Open your eyes.
Wait, what is that?
It's a ghost
That
cookie.
looks like Daddy.
Huh?
That looks like Daddy.
What? How does this look like Daddy?
He has glasses.
See how it
What's wrong
tastes.
with you?
What we thinking? What we thinking?
This kind of tastes like, the cookies that we made.
The cookies that y'all made?
At Gmail.
At Gmail House? Okay. So is that good or is it like,
It's good.
Okay, ready? 1 second. Alright, close your eyes.
Guys, do not tell anyone. We are just, like, it's probably going to be something disgusting because it usually be something disgusting after something is sweet. Yeah. So comment down below if you think it's disgusting or sweet. Okay? Hit the like button. Turn off notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, close your eyes. Don't tell anybody that we're being.
Alright, y'all ready? Close your eyes, close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm gonna show them first. It's so hard to see.
I hope it's really good.
Alright, so y'all have a fork right here. Alright, this is something y'all never had before. It's a little different, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Open your eyes. What is that?
Smell it and tell me if you know what it is. Pull it up. Pull it up here. Pull it up here.
So guys, I don't know what this is.
Okay, what do y'all think it is? Y'all gonna do it at the same time? Taste it at the same time? What you said, Bria?
It tastes like boo-boo.
Boo boo? How you know what boo boo tastes like?
Guys, let me tell you my opinion. It tastes like a rat.
Like a rat.
It's so nasty.
So what's nasty about it? Do you know what it is? First off, do you know what it is?
The pie.
What kind of pie?
A fruit pie.
A fruit pie? That's not a fruit pie. What do you think it is, Bria?
A pie that has vegetables in it.
Yeah, it's a vegetable pie. Chicken and vegetable pot pie. We got the potatoes. Got the carrots. I think y'all need a whole thing of potato. Let me get a potato. Let me get that carrot. Who want it?
No, not me.
The perfect bite.
Throw up. Please, mommy, can we not share it?
Okay, y'all won't share it. Y'all won't share it. This will be the only thing y'all don't have to share, okay? Okay. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay. You peeking, Bria. They've never had these before. Neither have I, actually, but they smell good. Dun, 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 dun.
Go, give me one.
Okay, there's yours.
Oh my God.
So, what is it? What is it?
An egg.
What kind of egg?
Scrambled
We had it this morning.
or fried egg.
Mm-hmm. But it's a what?
Yummy.
Gummies.
So you don't
Yeah, I want to eat the yolk.
You gotta taste the whole thing.
You ate the same thing. Flip your egg. You eat the whole thing.
What y'all think? Does it taste like a real fried egg?
No.
No? Some gummies be tasting like the real thing. That pickle gummy tastes just like a pickle. All right, close your eyes, close your eyes. Now this is something y'all eat all the time, so.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Not a bagel. It does start with a B though.
Oh, boo-boo.
Oh, okay. What? What? So, wait a minute. I said you eat it all the time. Okay, y'all, you want to do another guess?
Blueberry.
Nope. Close.
Pie.
I said it start with a B.
Blackberry.
Nope.
Cheeto.
Just close your eyes. Banana.
Why do you always get the big piece? You got the big piece.
Is it sweet?
No.
It's not sweet? Is it sour? Let's see if y'all eat. Y'all should be eating that banana like y'all just ate that candy. Yeah. Let's see who can finish it first. Go, 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 go. Don't choke. Go, 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 go. Bria had to slow down. Let's see who swallowed it first. Don't, you better chew it up. Is it all gone? It's still in your mouth. Let me see, is it all gone? Oh, Bria got it. High five. Hey! You ready? I'm gonna show them first. Close your eyes. That's what we got. All right, open.
Let me get that big old thing.
You need me to cut it?
Yes.
Okay, let's cut it in half.
Because we always get the big piece in our teeny tiny crumb.
Y'all know what it is?
Marshmallow. A marshmallow.
Yeah.
It's like a chocolate egg with the marshmallow in it.
Chocolate egg?
Or marshmallow.
I never had that. Oh, yes, I did. The ones that we get for Easter? Oh, okay. What you think, Bria?
You already know.
What I already know.
It's good.
It's good.
Tomato. I'm going to enjoy
You ain't eat that banana like that. All right, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and close this video out so we can go ahead and start another one. Leave us a bunch of emojis that y'all want us to try next, and we'll see y'all in the what?
Next video!
We love you guys.
Peace.
Loyal gang.